Hi my friend, this is Victor. Let me show you how to install my alarm. Here we got the remotes. There too, we can use any of them. Mm. I forgot to show you, the installation, but it was really clear. I installed the unit behind it, the speedometer. There's the alarm. We just have to lock it. Okay, we just have to open the door. There we go. I didn't have time today to install the power locks because it was a little bit of work, and my father took my drill, so I couldn't install them, but I just got them. I think I'm going to install them tomorrow. So let me just tomorrow when I install the power locks, I will show you how it is. Okay, let me just lock the doors. Lock the alarm. So if I try to open the door, there it is. The alarm was triggered. I just have to. There we go. Let me show you something. Look, I have this is the sunshine. It's really shiny. It's 30 something degrees. What's that track? So let me show you here. There we go. This is like a power lock that I installed here in the door latch. So if you press here, you can. It's not going to open. Really simple. So I believe this is it.